kids, welcome back. It's a beautiful, let's see, I'll show you what it looks like. Friday, very freaking cold. This is just a general update. I had some things to attend to this week, so I didn't have as much time as normal. But today, hopefully, I will get to the hardware videos of the Cracker Box, get those up and posted, finish out the rudder, the turn fin, the trim tabs, maybe go over the radio box. I don't know if we'll get quite that far. So yeah, that should be about it. As for the, I started this boat chat thing on Google Chats, and I really just kind of did it without testing it, and I just thought it was going to be the same as Google Hangouts, you know, same principle, and I am having a hell of a time getting invites to people. I've got 4 people in there, and then there's like 3 or 4 others that you know who you are that I've been texting back and forth and or emailing back and forth, like, do you have a link? Do you have this invite to your email? And Hotmail, just all sorts of messes. And I'm having a hard time getting you guys added, but I will figure it out. So be a little patient with me, or if anybody out there knows of another free chat engine. WhatsApp is nice. I use that for work for all my European guys that I work with. But the problem with WhatsApp is you can see phone numbers, and a lot of people don't want that. I don't personally want my phone number out there. So I don't love that idea, and I looked it up and it said there's no way to hide it. So WhatsApp's kind of, you know, I don't think people will be real cool with that. Google Chat seemed like the best idea. I'm going to research some more.
You'll learn a lot, no doubt.
And see if I can get this bug worked out, because I know Tom down in Australia, I'm having a hell of a time getting him. I can get him on the actual Google Chats, but I can't get him into the room for some reason, so I'm trying to create different rooms. I don't know what the glitch is with that. Tom, and there's a few other guys too. It's really ticking me off because there's 4 of us in there right now, and I want to get it bigger and going. It's kind of fun. So bear with me on that. I'm not ignoring you. If the link hasn't come through yet to your email and you've requested it, I will figure it out. I'm saving your emails, and I will get everybody in there. So that's just the update on that. And then we're going to go over more hardware today for the Cracker. So look for that this afternoon probably. And until then, stay warm and keep the dry side up if you're ballsy enough to run in the snow. Later, guys.